Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? In today's video I'll be doing this very simple and a quick festive makeup look, which is a very beautiful neutral tone makeup look, and it looks beautiful with Indian as well as Western outfits. It is one of my one eyeshadow makeup looks which I have been doing as a series on my channel. I believe that since the festival season is around the corner, we definitely need some inspo for the festive makeup looks, and because of the COVID there will be comparatively lesser celebrations, but the zeal of the festive season must not be compromised. So I'll be doing more festive season looks on my channel soon, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with today's video. I'm going to start with some color correcting first, and for that I'm taking my favorite MAC Cosmetics Select Moisture Cover Concealer in the shade NW30. Color correcting can make a lot of difference in the appearance of your dark circles and pigmentation on your face. To demonstrate the same, I'm going to apply it on one eye first, and you can definitely see the difference. It does a wonderful job at color correcting and neutralizing any dark circles and pigmentation, and I just love this concealer. For the foundation, I'm taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Foundation. This is not the Double Wear Foundation, which is the fuller coverage one. This is Water Blend one, which is a more medium coverage foundation, and it is a super lightweight foundation and looks beautiful on the skin. I'm just taking a very light amount of this on the back of my hand, and I'm using my beauty sponge to apply it. I'm not a fan of fuller coverage or higher coverage foundation, and I always look for more sheer to medium coverage foundation, and this one is a beautiful one and lasts you so beautifully throughout the day. For the highlighting concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer. This is a foolproof and a super full coverage concealer, and since I go for a lighter or sheer medium foundations, I definitely like to go in with a more fuller coverage concealer. You do not need a lot of this concealer, just a very small amount on and around the eye area, and a tad bit on the forehead or on the chin and the center of the nose to highlight these areas, and it makes your skin look absolutely beautiful. It does such a wonderful job at highlighting the areas you apply it to. I'm using my beauty sponge to blend it out, and it looks gorgeous on the skin. To set my concealer, I'm taking a MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC25. This is the second time I'm using this powder. The first time I tried it out in my full face of MAC Cosmetics, and I absolutely fell in love with this powder. It is a super lightweight and a beautiful powder. It does have a little bit of a coverage because you can use it as a foundation on its own. It is a very lightweight and a pressed powder, so it is absolutely perfect to carry around with you for any touch-ups, and it does a wonderful job at setting the concealer in its place. For the bronzer, I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer. It is a cult classic and is loved by each and everybody in the beauty community, and it is for a good reason. It is a beautiful product, and it is a universally flattering shade and looks beautiful on the skin. It gives such a nice and a natural looking warmth to the skin and adds the very nice color to the skin. Now, I'm using it on the hollows of the cheeks, along the temples of the forehead, along the jawline and the sides of the nose, and I'm also taking it with a fluffy blending brush into the crease of the eyes to act as a transition shade. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking my K Beauty by Katrina Metallic Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Fortune. This is one of my favorite products, and I've spoken a lot of good things about this on my channel. The eyeshadow sticks by Katrina are absolutely divine. They are so easy to use, and they are beautifully pigmented and just blend out like a dream. I'm applying it on the eyelids, and I'm using the same fluffy blending brush, and just look at how beautifully and seamlessly it blends out and gives such a nice color to the eyes. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'm using it to line my upper lash line, and I'll also be using it to line my waterline. I'm going to apply a thicker coat of this along my upper lashes and on my waterline as well, and then I'm going to just smoke it out to give that nice soft smoky look to the eye look. For the mascara, I'm taking my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I have a sample size of this product and I really liked how it made my eyelashes look. Did not give a crazy amount of volume, but it did give enough to give that nice oomph to the eyelashes, and it wore so beautifully throughout the day. Did not smudge or move or budge at all, and it held the curl on the eyelashes so beautifully throughout the day, and I really enjoyed using this mascara. And then I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows off the camera. And for the blush, I'm taking one of my favorites. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. You have seen me use this on my channel a lot of times. This is my absolute favorite blush when it comes to a nice soft peachy coral blush. It adds such a nice flush of color to the cheeks and it looks absolutely beautiful. To highlight the face, I'm taking my L'Oreal Paris Lee Blush Bar Highlighter in the shade Be Brave. It is a beautiful champagne golden shade, and just look at how beautiful it highlights the face and adds such a nice glow to the face. I'm using it on all the high points of the face, and I'm also taking it with a smaller brush on the brow bone, the inner corners of the eyes, and on my Cupid's bow. It is not a very intense highlighter. It is quite a subtle highlighter and adds a beautiful glow from within, kind of a glow to the face. And for the lips, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Le Marc Cream lipstick in the shade J'adore. It is a beautiful neutral tone brown shade and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It gives such a nice creamy finish to the lips and it is an extremely comfortable formula. It lasts so well throughout the day. And I'm finishing off the look with a plain black bindi. And this, guys, is the final finished look. It is such a nice and a quick and a very easy to do makeup look, and it will not take you more than 15 minutes. I've added that nice heavy cool look to the eyes because I believe no Indian festive makeup look is complete without a good amount of kohl on the eyes. It adds that nice Indianness to the look and it makes it look absolutely divine. And all the products and all the colors that I've used in this look are suitable for all Indian skin tones. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. Please support my channel, like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.